In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to identify a song from a YouTube Shorts video. If you've ever heard a catchy track in a short and wanted to know exactly what it is, this walkthrough will make it simple. Start by opening the YouTube app and heading to the specific Shorts video that features the song you want to identify. Make sure your volume is up so you can confirm it's the right clip. This step is all about getting to the exact short where the audio is playing, because the information you need is tied to that specific video. Once you're on the short, look toward the bottom of the screen for the small music note icon. It usually sits near the caption or along the right side with the other action buttons, depending on your device and app version. Tap that music note. As soon as you do, YouTube will display the song's title and the artist's name. Sometimes you'll also see album art or a label that indicates whether the audio is from a licensed track or an original sound uploaded by the creator. If it's an officially recognized song, that title and artist field is exactly what you're after. From there, you can dig deeper by tapping the music information to open the audio page. This page gathers all shorts that are using the same sound. It's a great way to confirm you've got the correct track and to hear how other creators have used it. You can preview additional snippets of the song across different videos, and you may spot links to listen on music platforms or save the audio for later within YouTube's tools. Think of this as your hub for exploring everything tied to that piece of audio. If you don't see the music note icon, don't worry. Some shorts use original audio, restricted sounds, or clips where metadata isn't available. In that case, a music recognition app like Shazam or SoundHound can help. Open the app while the short is playing and let it listen for a few seconds. These tools are designed to match short clips quickly, and they're especially handy when the on-screen audio details aren't provided by YouTube. And that's all you need. Open the short, tap the music note to view the song title and artist, and explore the audio page to discover more shorts using the same track. When the icon isn't available, a quick listen with a recognition app will usually do the trick. Thanks for watching, and happy song hunting!